Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to hide conversations on Gmail on PC with the new update. If you're looking to keep your Gmail inbox organized and clutter-free, follow these simple steps. First, open Gmail on your PC. Then, locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and then choose See All Settings to access the advanced settings options. Next, scroll down to find the Conversation View section. This feature groups related emails together into a single thread, which can sometimes clutter your inbox. To hide conversations and view emails individually, select Conversation View Off from the drop-down menu. By turning off the conversation view, each email will be displayed as a separate message in your inbox, making it easier to quickly scan through your emails and locate specific conversations. This customization option can help you stay organized and focused on important messages without distractions. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you can easily hide conversations on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.